Why are you going to do this, Chris? Hey. Come on. Why are you doing this?
This fucking angel's always on my ass about washing this car.
So what are you going to do?
I'm going to wash it.
Redneck Car Wash?
That's right.
Alright. Get her good and clean. Back her up and go. Oh, you're on record for YouTube. You can't be talking. Back her up. Safety first. You must have your safety belt on at all times. Okay, he's locked and loaded. You have any last words to say before you do this? Huh?
Guarantee you don't ask me to wash it again.
Alright, wash her up. Get her good and clean. Is he gonna do it? I did. Alright, Redneck Car Wash coming up. Huh? Oh fuck, he's probably gonna fucking...
Oh! It flipped.
Hey, it is right where it says.
Can't get out.
No, give me a knife.
I ain't got none.
Give me a knife. There he is.
It hurt?
Fuck no. Hey,
So I got a razor knife right here. Oh, my fucking phone's in my pocket. Oh, not no more.
Hey, it's landed right where it says.
That's a good one.
It made it right there. It's still there.
Here's that. It's still recording.
I thought he was going to drown me.
Oh, I did too.
I got it in my house right there.